raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of Kanawili Elementary School, class 2026, hereby solemnly pledge to uphold the good name of our alma mater. We will always try our best to defend the principles and ideals of democracy for which it stands. Deep in our hearts, we promise to live up to the expectations of our parents and teachers. We will always bear in mind to behave at all times in a manner fitting as future leaders